Now, since you have decided to learn IFRS or Ind AS, the next question in your mind is how I can help you to learn IFRS or Ind AS. I've been training on IFRS or Ind AS since 10 years now, and through my experience, I've been observing various kinds of people who have been learning IFRS or Ind AS. So a question comes to your mind whether you will be able to learn IFRS or Ind AS or not. Is it tough? Is it complex? Will you be able to do or not? Now this is the question which is not to be answered by you, which is going to be answered by me. That if you enroll IFRS or Ind AS course with me, I can assure you success. Through my experience, I know how IFRS is to be learned, how it is to be developed in your mind in terms of knowledge, what all things you need to keep in mind to develop the knowledge of IFRS, how you need to study, what you need to study, which are the topics you should touch first. All this insight I'll be able to share through my lectures and through my experience. And since I have been helping these companies also to implement IFRS or Ind AS in India, I have been training chartered accountants and employees of these companies where we implemented Ind AS. That insight, that experience, that knowledge, all the questions which have been asked to me during my live sessions by thousands of chartered accountants is a big reservoir for me to answer any questions promptly. I can answer your questions promptly within seconds. I do not need to refer to any content to answer your questions. I can answer them immediately on the spot. So you are in touch with a person who has been training on IFRS in the last 10 years, who has answered thousands of questions, has trained thousands of chartered accountants. So you can feel secure that it's very easy to learn IFRS, and I can assure you success. If you learn IFRS through my lectures and through my insights, you are getting insights in a very short and crisp manner. You're getting insights in a very short and crisp manner and to the point. You'll be able to gain confidence and knowledge of IFRS or Ind AS in a very short span of time, and you'll feel that the fear which was in your mind to learn IFRS was nothing but ignorance. Now, all this ignorance can become your advantage once you go through the insight and lectures I have delivered and share with you how to learn IFRS or Ind AS. So you can be rest assured that this is something which you can easily learn through my guidance, and you will not only learn IFRS or Ind AS. I have worked with many companies. I have left my job twice. I have also been on an entrepreneurial journey during this tenure. So I have left my job twice earlier. This is the third time and my final attempt to begin on a journey as an entrepreneur. So I will not only help you to have knowledge of IFRS, but will also share the strategies how to win in life, how to remain motivated, how to get rid of negativity in your life, how you can develop a positive mental attitude, and if you have to think positive, how to maintain that positivity in your life. So through my experience, I'll not only be sharing the technical content based on IFRS and Ind AS, but I'll also be answering questions, how you can be positive, how to be at peace, and above all, how to be happy. I'll be sharing 3-step approaches wherein I'll be guiding you the strategies through my experience to win in life. Hope you'll have a great learning experience and you'll be happy connecting with me. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Do like, comment and share. See you next time. Subscribe and hit the bell icon.